That's a tough predicament. Last question I'll ask you. The photo you got, was the gentleman erect in the photo? Yeah, I guess so, right? You get that moment where it's like, can you help me? That's not a strong move at all. I'm gonna do the rest of the show like this. So what's the comedians in the special from this squatting position? I'll stand back up. I myself, I never sent anyone a dick photo, but I wanted to do an experiment to see what it would be like to actually send someone a dick photo and see what kind of reaction it would really get. So I did an experiment. I had a friend. She didn't have my phone number. I got her cell phone number.